Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Notion AI writing workflows with templates, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your Notion AI writing workflows with templates, start by opening your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page where you want to restore the workflow. Check if you have saved templates available in your Notion account. If you haven't saved any templates previously, create a new page to start fresh. Design your workflow by outlining the steps you typically take when writing. Use Notion's built-in features like headings, toggle lists, and bullet points to format the workflow clearly. Once the structure is in place, turn your outline steps into a template by selecting the text. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the block options. Select Turn Into and choose Template from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to save your current page as a reusable template. Name your template something descriptive to make it easy to find later. After saving, navigate to the main dashboard of your Notion workspace. Click on the Templates option in the sidebar. Locate the template you just created. You can now easily duplicate it whenever you want to use your writing workflow. Click on the template to open it, then select Duplicate in the upper right corner. This will create a new page based on your saved workflow. Fill in the new page with your specific content for the day. Utilize Notion AI features to assist with generating text, ideas, or outlines. As you work, adjust the template as necessary to suit your needs. After completing your writing, consider refining the template based on your experience. This will help you create a more effective workflow with each use. Regularly review and update your templates to ensure they meet your evolving requirements. By following these steps, you can efficiently restore and optimize your Notion AI writing workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.